Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload Childhood and Adolescence. It's a first semester B.Ed degree examinations 2019 question paper, second question solution. This is our part 2. Part 1 under first question solutions we covered. That is, what is development? Describe the human development stages. Now the second question, it's a one. This question is a Vygotsky theory of development with its educational implications. So here, Vygotsky he contributed one theory. It related to the development as well as to the it is implicated to the child educations too. How it is implemented that the solution is other development theory. This theory proponed by Vygotsky. According to him, social interaction has a significant role in the cognitive development. It means that for particular child development, social interaction, communication, society involvement is very important one. So under this theory, he is show the or interlink the social interaction and the cognitive development or one child development. He focused on the connections between people and the social interactions. So that means social connections or social interactions is very much vital role play to the development or people development purpose or child one particular child development purpose. It emphasizes the importance of culture and context in understanding what occurs in society. Even though society behavior, social interactions, it is impact on our culture also be. So this theory, Vygotsky theory of development, has some assumption. The first assumption, knowledge is product of human interactions. If we want to develop our knowledge, the interaction is main one. The second assumption, knowledge is socially and culturally constructed by the environment. Yeah, obviously. Our knowledge or one particular child knowledge is a combination of its constructed basically social interaction as well as our basic or home culture it is. So environment is very important to develop one particular child. The third assumption, learning is a social activity. Fourth one, languages develop through social interactions. Our language is developed through the social interaction. It's because it thoroughly we are communicating to each others, so it's a develop language our develop is language is going to develop collaborative nature of learning. So these all are assumptions of this Vygotsky theory of development. Actually this Vygotsky theory is developed basically on the basis of three aspects. First one is a social interaction, second one is a culture, third one is a language. Social interactions involved like peer committee, our parents, family members, brother, sister, society, friend circle, these all things. Second one is a culture. Culture means all the way of life, including arts, belief, and institutions of the populations that are passed down from the generations to generations. The third basic concept of this Vygotsky theory of development is language. So Vygotsky believed that there are three forms of languages. First one is a social speech, second one is a private speech, third one is a silent inner speech. Social speech, this is what Vygotsky referred to as the external communication that people used to talk with other people. and he believed that his form of language was typical in children from the age of 2. Second language is a private speech. This is what Vygotsky referred to as the internal communication that a person direct to themselves. It serves an intellectual function, and it is a typical in children from the age of 3. Third one is a silent inner speech. He believed that this is what happens when private speech diminishes in its audibility until it's become a self-regulating function. He believed this is what typical in children from the age of 7. That means what in the development stage, this kind of speech or language is affected one. Social speech, private speech, and silent inner speech. And Vygotsky focus on language as a part of cognitive development was based on the idea that at the beginning of the children's life, language and thoughts began as a separate systems within a children's brain. After that, it is also be implemented our children education. Vygotsky suggests that children constructive theory can be enriched and implied in educations in the following manner. So here education is like that. Learning should be children centered because it's a small age that so whatever they learned it is a children center learned. Social interactions are very important one. Focus should be on knowledge improvement. They're given 100% focus and they're gathered the knowledges. Learning should be active. It's a activities because here learner means child are very active to active participants. Here he is grasping whatever society interacted, whatever society or languages are used. Learning by discover should be present. Challenge task must be included. Under this Vygotsky theory of development, educational implications or the task is must be challenging task must be included. Development of learner must be focused one. Here learner it's developed. It may be bad, it may be good. It depend on our peer committee. It depend upon our family members, friend circle, society interactions, using of languages styles. These all things are implemented the education of one child. So this is all about your second question solutions. Vygotsky theory of development. Thank you for watching.